Good morning, sir. This is our report about International Code of Signals Annex 4. The International Code of Signals, or ICS, is a standardized system developed by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, to enable vessels to communicate important messages regarding safety and navigation. Particularly, language barrier exists. Annex 4 of the ICS especially deals with the use of visual signaling, which includes the transmission and reception of single letter signals using signal flags or semaphore. Ang International Code of Signals kay gihimo ni sa International Maritime Organization or IMO kay sa kauban nimo sa mga sa barko kay dili ra ba na kuan parehog dili ra ba mo parehog language, lahi-lahi man og language kay daghan man gyud language ana. So gibuhat ni ang International Codes of Signals kay para dali ra mo magkasinabot. Method of transmitting information. Visual signaling using single letter code is primarily conducted through the following method. Signal flags. Each letter of the alphabet is represented by a specific maritime signal flag with unique colors and patterns. These flags are hoisted vertically on a shaped signal mast to represent particular letter. A single letter flag usually conveys a specific message without the need for additional flags. So ang each letter kay naay meaning kay aron dali ra masabtan sa magpadala og signal og ang mag-receive og signal aron dali ra sila magkasinabot. Example ani kay kuan A for Alpha. I have a driver down, keep wheel clear at low speed. H for Hotel. I have a pilot on board. M for Mike. My vessel is stopped and making no way through the water. Mo to mga example sa mga letter nga na ay meaning. Semaphore signaling. Semaphore involves the use of two handled flags, one in each hand, held in specific position to represent different letters. The signal transmit the letter by assuming the correct arm position corresponding to the desired letter. Observe on receiving vessel, decode the position to understand the message. So ang semaphore signaling kay diha na sila murag action na nila kay sa isig kamot sa maghatag og signal nanay duha ka flag kay each letter nanay kuan lahi-lahi nga position. Each letter naman ay meaning og pag maghatag na kag signal katong mga flag nanay mga position sa alpha na lahi-lahi na sila kuan position aron dali ra masabtan sa mag-receive og signal. So ug makita to sa mag-receive og signal ang position nga gihatag sa naghatag og signal, dali ra niya masabtan ug makita to niya nga position sa flag.
A reception of information. Receiving parties use binocular or visual observation to interpret the signal flags instead of the semaphore position. Each single letter signal has a predefined meaning. The meaning under the international code, eliminating ambiguity of the message are designed to be simple of organ of often related to navigation and measuring safety and the importance of single letter signal. This signal are universal, recognized by all vessels that they're to international marine rules and regulation. They they provide a quick and effective method of the communication, is especially when radio is silent, required to during equipment failure. Used in situations such emergency measuring warning and navigational aids. Visual signaling using single letter signal from Annex 4 of the International Code of Signal, the vital parts of marine communication. By using signal flags or semaphore, vessel can transmit clear is 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 standards message even without electronic communication equipment. Mastery of this signal ensure greater safety and coordination at the sea. Thank you, sir.